Hello everyone. Hello parents. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ. Parents, as per my promise, today is the first episode for That One Thing series. Yes, we have started taking up it one by one, and today the topic which we are going to discuss is about screen time. Why I chose this topic? Because this is a major problem and a major concern related to all the parents. So I'll start with the technology. Parents, understand that today we are in a scenario of change. We have to accept the change and we have to adopt the change. Since the pandemic has locked everyone in our houses, we all are forced to teach our children on screen. The schools are teaching the students on screen, be it a mobile, a desktop or a laptop, or iPad or whatever screen you name it. It is via screen only, right? So we cannot deny this fact and we have to accept this change. We have to abide this change so that our children don't stop learning. Now, how to control this, right? Learning has to happen. Learning has to happen. So what I need to tell you is we have to define a time zone for all these activities, right? So what I'll suggest you to define a 3 part of the day. I'll define it as a screen time zone, STZ, then a PAZ, a physical activity zone, and then a no screen time zone. Parents, again I'll be telling you these 3 things. One is, first is screen time zone, second is physical activity zone, and third is no screen time zone. Now how do I define all this? So I'll start with screen time zone. Screen time zone would be defined as the time spent by the student on the screen while the school is teaching them. Yes, a normal school teaches around 3 hours per day, right? So that 3 hours you can't stop. So that is one factor of the screen time zone. Then the child will have certain homework or assignment to complete. So that adds to another screen time zone. And since your child is not a machine, we are not machines, the child will want to have some entertainment, right? So define a time zone for him to watch a particular series, maybe a cartoon show for half an hour or 40 minutes. So all these 3 activities combine a screen time zone. Got it? Yes. Now coming to the second part. Second part is physical activity zone, and this starts from morning. Bring in a habit to your child to keep your personal belongings in place, right from keeping your bed sheet tight, intact, keeping his clothes in the cupboard properly, keeping his stationeries and books in place. So that will amount to a very small amount of time, correct? Add more to it by making him do some household activities, some household chores. You can tell him to do dusting for some things, maybe table or chair. Then you can ask him or her to water some bottles. You can ask him to keep vegetables in the fridge or some activities like that. But again, this is a very small, this will consume very small amount of time. So what next to be done? Yes, this is a very important thing, friends and parents. Gardening is one such thing wherein you can teach your child the importance of plantation, and his involvement in this thing will again lead him to doing more physical activities. Yes, we know we are living in flats, most of us are living in flats, but we have balconies, or you have certain places wherein you can put your flower pots. We are doing it. So those flower pots would be having smaller plants and flowers. Get some seeds, maybe seeds related to green chilies or tomatoes or lady's finger. Teach your child to plant that seed and monitor it on a daily basis. Once he sees it's growing, it will give him a pleasure. Trust me guys, I have a live example on myself. Around 15 days back, I have planted 2 mango seeds, and after 7-8 days, I was surprised when my younger son came running to me and said, Papa, there is some kind of a small stem coming out of that seed and small leaves are coming on. And now on a daily routine, he goes to that plant, he sees it and he comes to me and states about the development. पापा आज वो पत्ता जो है थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया, उसका जो तना है वो थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हो गया है, पापा वो पौधा बढ़ रहा है. So this gives him a pleasure. Once your child gets into this pleasure, you know your work is done. So this is one activity. Then comes the storytelling. Yes friends, today most of the parents, because of the lockdown, they are in the house, but before that nobody used to, or a very few of them were there where they were giving quality time to their kids. Now make a habit of storytelling. Spend time with a child and start stories. It may be any language, Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, any language. You take any book of that particular language and start reading with him. You read one page, tell him to read one page, right? While doing this, there would be certain words, there would be certain phrases wherein your child will ask you that मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया, पापा मुझे बताओ, मम्मी मुझे बताओ. So you will have more interactions and more learnings will happen, correct? Now, had this corona pandemic not been there, I'd recommend child to play in his peer group, right? Because that gives him more confidence. But what has happened, because this pandemic, we are not allowing our child to go out of the house, but still physical activity has to be done. So that you need to take care by making him do certain physical activities in the house, right? So what it can be? It can be small jogging, or running on the spot, jumping on the spot, or even jumping and touching something which is at a height. For maybe at an interval of half an hour or 1 hour, you can ask him to jump 5 times on the spot. So that will keep him fit as well as physically active, right guys? Now coming to the most important, it's not the last and not the least as well. I'll tell you, we are in a habit and our children are in a habit to carry their mobiles when they go to bed, right? So now I have defined this as a no screen time zone. Whenever your child is going to bed after studies, dinner and everything, he or she should not be carrying any screen, mobile, iPad, laptop, whatever it is. It has to be strictly followed. It has to be a no screen time zone. Yes parents, apply these 3 time zones for the entire day and see the result. You'll be amazed to see the outcomings. Yes, you have to be involved yourself. Get involved your child, make your child more comfortable with you so that he starts interacting. He leaves the screen and comes to you by default. This is what is a challenge for you. So guys, I hope these 3 time zones works for you. Again, I'll be repeating it. First is screen time zone, second is physical activity zone, and third is no screen time zone. So guys, that's for the first episode for the day. I wish you again a very happy Independence Day for the day today, and I request and urge you to apply this thing. You'll have wonders happening. That's it.